Right now, I'm super excited. You know where the DJ Whitey post and say if she should drop the song Jamaica Cry? Well, boom, see the people should drop it. And that song here are she and Killa. And I just discover Killa. I tell you no, she wicked people. So we have two bad artists and the song just shot, the music video pretty, everything just, you see me, we're gonna get right into it.
Jamaica Cry. Know the country need a change, but it starts with us. Though a full time we unite and stand as one. Out of many, one people.
Every day, another you die. Crime rate gone to the sky. Politicians, them a tell bare lies. Work now run, we can't get a blind. Get the people, can't get a blind. Price raise, but the food off a buy. Sup on the guns, the youth them rely.
Now people, may I tell you the God honest truth. If you don't want to click off of the video right now and go watch the official music video on Killa page, me would even be mad. Me would even care. When you can come back and watch this later. The link in the description below. But people, this is Killa right now on the screen. She in the last music video. I'm showing the DJ Whitey song with name Karma, right? And she do the little skit part them with DJ Whitey. And I just discover, like I say, she's very talented. But people don't know DJ Whitey do the thing already. And a fear verse come right up, so let's get into that. Here goes.
The leaders just a chilling at the mansions and a chill poor people with sanctions. Price raise, but them still have a tax man. Get a youth need a chance for relax man. The country just designed for the Tories, while the residents them are the poorest. In a city youths them malnourished. Me never see a yard man from the foreplace. Every day another youth die. Another youth die, oh why? Politicians, them a tell bare lie. They don't wanna see us prosper. They don't wanna see us try. They clip a wing, they no want with a fly. They don't wanna see us fly.
People, I love do them video because them video that's easy for me to do. I don't have to make up nothing, I don't have to talk nothing when I go so. Everything that's there. I genuinely love DJ Whitey music. And now we'll find another bad artist, Killa as well. So this is just, you know what I mean, easy for me. You see what I say? I love it, people. I don't know how I feel about our music already. But, may I tell you about the new artist and one of my things, I may overdo it. But, people, when time artists do song, right? You have a singer, you have a DJ. Usually when time the DJ do them thing, the singer sing and them just do that, you know, leave it on the hook or whatever. But listen to this magical voice going a fear verse now. Who me talk about? I talk about Killa. So hear this.
Babies I have babies. For human traffic, them kidnap the ladies. We get the vote, them top or changes. Then use the same policies from the 80s. Babylon to stop harass the vendors. The churches are some big pretenders. Me get a loan, but the profit when me make come back in all the interest to the lender. Every day another you die. Crime rate gone to the sky. Politicians, them a tell bare lies. Work now run, we can't get a blind. Get the people, can't get a blind. Price raise, but the food off a buy. Sup on the guns, the youth them rely.
On the seats, I'm not telling no lie on the earphone itself, right? And if you want to check out her page, she have another song when named Special. She only have 2 music videos on her page right now. But she have another music video with another artist named Nashi. And that one named Bring Your Body. And as a matter of fact, Nashi is the person we hear on the intro of this song, Jamaica Cry. And the video is directed by Nashi. When it start, you know, we'll see it come up, say, directed by Nashi. But people, let's stay focused here because the bad artist about to talk again. Who me attack DJ Whitey. Remember say Killa say she had the future, the most prudent student. From Killa rhyme your name or rhyme anything about you gone, you know. You see what I say? And Baby Sham also, I give him support. And after I make the video, I say Lila Ike post her too as well. So what if other people post her? You see what I say? It's a Raga Shanti over our page. So it's not like DJ Whitey's talent is no secret anymore. If you never know about her, you know now. You see me? So we are gonna get back into another verse from DJ Whitey.
Get a youth want fly with the visa and take some trips to Ibiza. Meet some girl pretty like Lisa. Hannah, them can't solve murder but quickly stop scammer. Them a blame crime rate on the music, but for win election them use it. Them a use politics, me we prove it. Jam done can change if you choose it. Every day, another you die. Another you die, oh why? Politicians, them a tell pure lie. Them a tell pure lies. They don't wanna see us prosper. They don't wanna see us try. Them clip a wing, them no want if we fly. They don't wanna see us fly.
I am the first, I am the last, I am the beginning and the ending. And him say be telling you, him say his signs are near. Look to Jesus.
Yeah, people, I'm not telling a lie. I'm well fulfilled. I'm feeling satisfied right now. The song do its thing. The lyrics stand up on point. The voice is on point. The singer just bad. The DJ bad as well. I'm not lie. A 10 out of 10 for me now. Hands down, 10 out of 10. When Killa did say the song, I say, all right, you know, DJ Whitey have a lot of bad songs. She do a lot of bad freestyle and Ray. So maybe Killa don't know. But when Killa say the song, people. You see me? So now me believe say at the song, now me hear the full song. Me not lie, I'm not disappointed. I would have loved to know how you feel about it. If you don't hear it good because me a talk in between, like me said, the link I got in at the first comment, right? So you can click on the link and go over there and please subscribe to both of them channel. Me I go put the link to both of them. But the song is on Jailer's channel, right? So you know confusion I got in it because it also a full song and the link to the full song. People, please me I beg you to subscribe to both of them channel before you leave. You see what I say? Because them I go boss people. That song yeah, I go places. And me I go do my part. Me I do everything me can in my power. So if you don't hear me I play that song yeah, you know what I mean? You just know what me I deal with. You see me? Because me know say, yo, that song yeah have it. You see me? The message in it, the everything is just right about it. I want to tell me what you think about it.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.